To be. To be. To be. What is it? Mr. Rubber, help please.
Hello, my dear student pencil. I can help you. Take your grammar book and write down.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Sit down, Mr. Pencil. Write, please. The verb to be. We use the verb to be when we speak about general situations or facts. Or when we express our feelings or qualities. Or when we talk about our age. Or when we talk about nationalities, jobs, or religious. So it is not an action. To be turns into is, are, in present simple tense. Look at positive forms. I am, I'm. You are, you're. He is, he's. She is, she's. It is, it's. We are, we're. You are, you're. They are, they're. For example, I'm a robot. You're my friend. He's a boy. She's a girl. It's my pet. We're friends. You are my friends. They're my toys.
I'm Puss in Boots, yes that's right. I'm short and brave, yes that's right. I'm Puss in Boots, I'm in a book. I'm Puss in Boots, yes that's right. Who are you?
I'm Peter Pan, yes that's right. I'm young and kind, yes that's right. I'm Peter Pan, I'm in a book. I'm Peter Pan, yes that's right.
Okay, pencil. Are you okay? If you are ready, let's go on.
Yes. I'm okay. I'd like to know about negative forms of the verb to be. I'm ready to write.
I am not. I'm not. You are not. You aren't. He is not. He isn't. She is not. She isn't. It is not. It isn't. We are not. We aren't. You are not. You aren't. They are not. They aren't. For example, I'm not a boy. You aren't a dog. He isn't a doctor. She isn't a teacher. It isn't a tiger. We aren't happy. You aren't black. They aren't sad. Okay, pencil. Are you tired? Let's have a break.
Yes! Yes!
I need a glass of milkshake.
I'm big, I'm big, I'm very, very big. My ears are big, my nose is big. I'm very, very big.
I'm small, I'm small, I'm very, very small. My ears are small, my nose is small. I'm very, very small.
Okay, pencil. Let's continue. Write how to make questions with the verb to be.
Okay, questions. It is good.
If you want to make questions, you put words in such order. Am I? Short answers. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Are you? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Is he? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Is she? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Is it? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Are we? Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Are you? Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Are they? Yes, they are. No, they aren't.
Are you 5?
No, I'm not. I'm 6. Is he from Ukraine? Yes, he is. Is she a teacher? Yes, she is. Is it a cat? No, it isn't. It is a dog.
Are you okay?
Yes, we are.
Are they black?
Yes, they are.
Okay, pencil. That's all for now. Any questions?
Thank you, Mr. Rubber. Now I know everything.
Once again. Positive form. I am. I'm. You are. You're. He is. He's. She is. She's. It is. It's. We are. We're. You are. You're. They are. They're. Negative form. I'm not. You aren't. He isn't. She isn't. It isn't. We aren't. You aren't. Question form. Am I? Are you? Is he? Is she? Is it? Are we? Are you? Are they? Short answers. Positive and negative form. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Yes. He is. No, he isn't. Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Yes, they are. No, they aren't.